Yeah. I bet you could climb up there onto the thing again, Isabel, and just jump off into the snow. Let's see. Fall back. Go for it.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Just a minute, Isabel. Go, Kaylee. Okay, Isabel.
Still videoing?
Yep.
This is comfortable. Let me try.
Okay.
Fine. Isabel, try this. Isabel. This is like a bed.
Just a minute, Isabel.
Can I jump the memory foam?
You can jump. Jump where it's deepest. I don't care. You can jump towards me, Solomon. Jump towards me.
Side.
Yeah.
Look at me. I'm on my knees. Help! I'm so stuck. Isabel,
Do it again, Solomon. It is so cold. It's a high of 8 below today. Eli, come here. Where is he?
This is like a memory foam bed, Kaylee said.
Well, get up and try it.
It's fun! This is much fun! Ah! Okay, guys, a little too deep. Okay, are you videoing?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Angie,
Yeah.
my head gets farther than the rest of my body.
Does that mean you have a heavy head?
I can see the clockwork. Okay, 1, 2, ready?
Eli, come join us.
I think he's putting the food away.
He's coming.
Oh, this is so comfortable. Whoa, that was, I can feel making fun. Can I have a fresh
Come on. What, Solomon?
I'll get the fresh
Hey, Eli, climb up the slide and jump off.
What?
Climb up the slide and jump off. Yeah, I can on the email.
What's this?
Just a minute. Okay. Alright, Eli, let's see you try it. Honey, I don't think you'd live through the night if you slept out here. A low of 28 below.
Wow. Well, at least it'll keep us warm out here. This will keep us warm.
No.
Yeah.
Jump off this way, Eli, from the front. Yeah, jump off the front into the snow. Towards me, Eli.
Let's go camping
Towards me.
tonight. Oh. And die.
See where the hole is? That's where Solomon jumped.
Okay, Solomon. Oh.
Where the mark is in the ground, that's where Solomon jumped. Try it. Just stand up and jump. It's soft.
It is.
Solomon, you want to show him quick?
I'm stuck.
Isabel, you want to show him
So what?
how to jump off?
Oh, I don't know how.
Okay.
I just don't want to.
Oh, well, Isabel, do it quick, and then I'm going inside because I'm shaking cold.
Okay. I'll be laying out here, Angie.
You just get a suntan.
Okay.
Go for it. Jump this way, Isabel. Bombs away!
Oh,
Thank you.